Yo, tech lovers, ready to ride the future? We're diving into 20 compact flying machines you must see. So don't blink, don't scroll, don't miss it. The future's in your hands right now. Coolfly Standing eVTOL introduces a new era of personal air mobility with a unique standing flight design. This compact platform allows users to control movement naturally by shifting their body weight, eliminating traditional controls. Its AI-powered gravity sensing system reads these movements in real time, ensuring smooth and precise navigation. Powered by electric propulsion, it enables vertical takeoff, stable hovering, and quiet zero-emission operation. The lightweight carbon fiber frame offers durability and portability for daily use. Advanced safety features like AI stabilization and obstacle detection enhance control and protection, making low-altitude flight simple, intuitive, and accessible for everyone. Omni Hoverboard represents a bold step into the future of personal flight, turning standing into soaring. This real flying platform uses multiple high-speed rotors to generate lift, allowing smooth and stable takeoff. Unlike traditional hoverboards, it operates freely over land and water without needing special surfaces. Built with lightweight carbon fiber and powered by advanced electric motors and lithium batteries, it offers strength, agility, and portability. Control is simple, combining throttle input with body balance for easy navigation. With vertical takeoff and an open platform design, it delivers an immersive, responsive, and compact flying experience for everyday exploration. Deroni Aerospace H1X represents a new stage in personal flight, designed as a two-seat electric VTOL for everyday travel. This compact flying car combines drone-style propulsion with advanced aviation engineering, allowing smooth vertical takeoff and controlled forward flight. Its distributed electric system uses multiple ducted fans to generate balanced lift and thrust, enabling takeoff from small spaces without a runway. Built with carbon fiber, it offers strength, efficiency, and a panoramic canopy for an immersive view. Simple joystick controls and an AI-assisted flight computer ensure stability and navigation, while safety systems like backup motors and a parachute enhance reliability and confidence. Jetson 1 marks a new era of solo flight, bringing drone-like technology into personal aviation. This compact electric aircraft is designed for a single pilot and features 8 motors and propellers for balanced lift and precise control. It performs vertical takeoff, smooth hovering, and multi-directional movement using an intuitive joystick system. Built from aluminum and carbon fiber, it remains lightweight yet strong and agile. Powered by lithium-ion batteries, it delivers impressive speed with short-duration flights. Safety features like a protective frame, parachute, and motor redundancy enhance reliability, making personal flying more accessible, exciting, and closer to everyday reality. Air1 is bringing personal flying closer to everyday life with its two-seat electric VTOL design. It blends car-like comfort with aircraft performance, making short-range travel smooth and efficient. Powered by an 8-motor distributed propulsion system, it ensures stable lift, forward motion, and added safety through redundancy. Its 74 kilowatt-hour battery provides up to 177 kilometers of range and around 60 minutes of flight time, suitable for urban and inner-city travel. With a top speed near 250 kilometers per hour, it delivers strong performance. Foldable wings allow easy storage, while smart flight systems and a parachute enhance safety. Volonaut Airbike represents a futuristic leap in personal aviation, offering a jet-powered flying experience designed for freedom and speed. Unlike traditional eVTOL systems, it removes exposed propellers and uses micro-turbine jet propulsion for powerful and efficient thrust. This design improves safety while enabling smoother movement through tight spaces. Built with advanced carbon fiber and 3D printed components, it remains lightweight yet strong and agile. Its intelligent flight computer manages balance and thrust in real time, ensuring stable hovering and precise control. With a motorcycle-style position and full 360-degree open-air view, it delivers an immersive and high-performance flying experience. Rise Recon introduces a practical approach to personal aviation, focusing on utility rather than luxury. This rugged, ultralight electric VTOL is designed for low-altitude work and exploration, resembling a compact aerial ATV. It features a 6-rotor electric propulsion system, where each motor operates independently, ensuring stable lift and continued flight even if one rotor fails. Capable of vertical takeoff and landing, it can operate from flat ground without a runway. Its lightweight frame and open cockpit provide clear visibility for tasks like agriculture and surveying. With fly-by-wire controls, AI stabilization, and removable batteries, it offers reliable, efficient, and practical aerial mobility. Copter Pack Gen 3 is a revolutionary step in personal aviation, designed as a wearable flying system that allows individuals to experience flight like never before. Built as a compact backpack, it features dual high-powered rotors that enable vertical takeoff and landing without the need for a runway. Its lightweight carbon fiber honeycomb structure ensures strength, balance, and agility during flight. The advanced self-leveling autopilot system stabilizes the rider automatically, making it easier and safer to control. With responsive thrust control and real-time adjustments, it adapts smoothly to different altitudes and environments, offering a unique, efficient, and futuristic flying experience.